So why am I showing you this? Because these lithium batteries are gone. A cell shorts out, they catch fire in our RV, and they are out of there. So we're done with our lithium batteries. But when you have damaged ones that were involved in a fire, what do you do with them? We're in Georgia. There's not a real clear, like a big program that they have here. So they're kind of leave it up to you. There's a lot of stuff in Atlanta, and there's some stuff in Athens and Gainesville, but that doesn't help me here near Augusta. So what do we do with damaged lithium batteries? Well, what we did and what we're gonna do is probably gonna surprise you. So why don't you stick around, check out the intro, and then we'll get into it.
Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right out of here? I'm up all night, keep pretending to save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah. Worried that I'm out of
What do you do with 12 packs, 30 kilowatts of lithium batteries that have shorted? They're part of a fire, and you're in Georgia. Man, the fire department wouldn't take them because they're too big. They were 640 watts per pack, and the fire department looked at them and they said, no way. Now, the state of Georgia doesn't really have a real comprehensive hazmat for household. They, couple times a year, sometimes the local recycling may have like this event where you can deposit stuff, but they're not even sure that they would take the burned out lithium batteries. So, and I'm not paying thousands to have a recycling company come and take these guys away. So what did I do? How do you get around that? Do I use them as boat anchors? I thought about it. Do I use them as blocks for a wall in the yard? That would be interesting. I could bury them. That wouldn't be the right thing to do. So what did I end up doing? One of the other problems we're having to deal with is the disposal of these lithium batteries. Now this one's in pretty good shape. There's been no intrusions and it hasn't been compromised. That is not the same for most of the other ones. I found a couple that look to be in good shape, and there is a local recycling center that will take lithium. So I've called them. I'm gonna go check and see, try to drop one off. But this is a real issue with having to, dispose of these things. I called Batteries Plus, and they want $1.25 a pound. I know, insurance probably will pay for it, but we're trying to do the right thing, and so we're looking at other avenues. And there is a place locally for the county that will. They say they'll take them, so we'll see. These bad boys are big, and most people haven't seen anything like these. So we'll see. But yeah, it's an issue, and it's something that we're having to work through. So I've got the battery in the back, and here's the recycling center. So we'll see what's going on with that. Hopefully they don't freak out when they see it. So there it is. They took it, and that is fantastic. So that's actually one of the ones in the better shape. So getting rid of the ones that they can take, which is excellent. All right, so that's really good. It's not going to get all of them because some of them are compromised, but it's getting those that I can. And that's, you know, if I can get 2 or 3 here, then that's 2 or 3 that, man, I don't have to worry about, you know, at some other site. So I got to call around and see what I can do with some of these compromised ones. This is my 4th trip to the recycling center. I'm thinking this is the last of the batteries that they will take. I'm hoping they'll take these. They've not been compromised on the internal workings of them, but there is a couple of them that have a little melty spots just on the tabs. So it, like I said, hasn't compromised the internal workings of them, but they, you know, look not pristine, I'll say. So I'm hoping they'll take them, and so we'll see. If that's the case, then I'm down to 5 that are looking kind of ugly. Yeah. All right, I took them. That is the last of the ones that I can give them. And there they are over there. So at this point, I'm down to those that have been compromised. So I'll have to take those to Batteries Plus, but that's okay because I'm down to 5 now. So I whittled it from 12 down to 5, and that's a manageable number. Insurance won't have an issue with that. I'm hoping Batteries Plus will take them. So I was left with 5 that were burned out, and local recycling wouldn't take them. So I called around, and actually Batteries Plus, are you surprised? They took lithium battery packs that were like this. The guy was super nice and took them off my hands. $1.25 a pound. That beats thousands. That ended up being like $350, just a tad less than that. And it worked out great. All right, so I'm here at Batteries Plus. I'm gonna see if they will take my lithium batteries. So let's see. All right, all done, and they did take them. And it was $1.25 per pound. So, and I took the pickup truck because I was not putting those inside the Jeep or anything else like that. So yeah, they took them. They're gone. I got them down to those 5, and so I'm stoked, man. I'm so excited because now I'm rid of them, and insurance shouldn't be a problem because I got it down to 5 and $1.25 a pound. So fantastic! Thanks to Batteries Plus for making that happen for me. They were super nice, and it was a good deal. So that's what I ended up doing. You know, 7 of them went to local recycling. They would take them. And then the other 5 that were actually, they were burned. I mean, it was, the innards were open. They had been compromised, and local recycling wouldn't take them. So, but Batteries Plus was, and so it worked out great. So that's what you do with them. You know, are we going to go back to lithiums? Yeah, we will in the new rebuild. We'll do with newer technology, and we will do with a different type of lithium battery pack. So that was it, and you know, hope this has helped you guys, and if not, that's the story and how we got rid of our 12 packs of lithium battery packs. Thanks a lot. See you next week.
Call me wide-eyed, simple-minded. I've been blinded. I'm on a merry-go-round. I got this fever, baby, going through my body. I feel like shaking the ground. Call me lovesick, like I bother. There's no other. I beg, borrow, and steal. I wanna do right by you. Can't you see I'm hurting the way you make me feel? Oh, 'cause my heart breaks. Oh baby, baby, please, I'm begging on my knees. Won't you listen? My hands shake, a shiver down my spine. It happens every time. Can't you see that my simple. Show a